Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be another makeup video, and thank you all for all the birthday wishes you people showered to me on my previous video. I'm really grateful to all of you and all your wishes. So in today's video, we're gonna be continuing with the zodiac sign makeup look, and according to the months going on this time, it's the Aries makeup look. So according to this color palette, we're gonna be using all the oranges, reds and yellows for this makeup look. And also, as you guys liked my previous makeup look, which was a little bit light and subtle and wasn't too heavy and too glam. So I thought, why not make another lighter makeup look this time. So if you haven't seen my previous makeup video, I'll link it somewhere in the eye here or here. And also I'll link it in the description box down below. So that's what we're doing in today's video, and let's get started. So as you guys know from my previous video how I do my base, so I'll be skipping that part because it will make the video really long. So I've done my base right now, and I'll be starting with the eye makeup. And as I said earlier, we're going to be using reds, yellows and oranges for this video, and we'll be doing a little bit of a subtle look. So I'll be using this color and this color as red and orange respectively, and I have a lighter yellow color over here, this one. So I'll be using that also. So yeah, let's get started. this is my final look, and I think it looks really nice. It looks really subtle and really simple. And I haven't applied liner for this look because it looks really good without the liner itself. So I've applied kajal a little bit. The lipstick is a bit bright. If you want, you can put a nude color shade or a light pink color shade. Anything will suit this look. But because I had to match to the color palette, I chose red. So yeah, this is the look for now. And I will change and I'll be back. So I'm back and this is the final look. I've worn a red color top, which is all this frilly and nice top. So this is the final look, and I feel it looks really elegant and really simple at the same time, and it is not as glam as the usual look which I do, and it looks really subtle and really simple. Only the lipstick looks a little bit brighter, but if you want, you can pair this look with another simple nude or light pink color lipstick also. So this is the final look, and I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you liked the simple eye makeup which I did for this video. So if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. I'll attach the picture in the next. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the makeup session of this video. Please do like this video, and also please share it with your friends and family. And also please let me know in the comments below if you like this look and if you want more such type of looks. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.